Hi guys, my name is Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, The Layerly. I had an amazing opportunity to attend Ishtara Jewellery's Diamond Extravaganza launch, and I'm going to be taking you along with me just so that you can have a look at this beautiful collection and what they consist of. And this collection is available till the 18th of March 2018, and you can always check them out at their store at 111 Serangoon Road, Singapore 218016. That's all for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed coming along with me to Ishtara Jewellery's Diamond Extravaganza launch. And if you like what you see, then don't forget to head down to 111 Serangoon Road, Singapore 218016. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!